This is the what you call the racebook bar area where of the casino where people come and enjoy themselves with the games that's in the area. Hmm. Right now, I'm still learning how to operate this doing phone uh, thing here. We're inside of what's in this place. It's a little small bar. It's nothing fancy at all. And this area here is a banquet area where people can rent and have your events and like parties or something. You can rent these places. Some of them people do meetings and maybe corporate people are in here. So that's a game board table, some kind. Hmm, interesting. I bet you I knew how to play it. I just hadn't done it in a while. Been so many years. So getting ready to get out of here. Give you a little insight of this little section here. And I have another video. I'm going to present that to you as well. And that'll be the casino of Las Vegas called the Suncoast Casino. This is what you're watching. The games, different games. Casino table. People play games. That's what this is. Casino table. People sit down and play games. Yeah, it's a little area there where you can relax. They must have a live music in here. That's the only way I could think of they would have a little lounge area. It has to be live music of some kind. And then you got the bar. This is the area where people come and play bowl. It's the bowling area, the other portion of it. And those are the prices. You can see. So, the other inside. What's in Las Vegas? So, Suncoast Casino. Hey, Cowgirl, Gina. So long.